What's up? Gonna make a caramel macchiato today. So I'm gonna use my large pitcher for this one. And I also have a long glass cup that I'll use for these as well. Let's see, other thing I need is something to pour a double shot in because we're gonna be adding the espresso after we pour the milk in. And yeah, we just measure out 18 grams. Too much. 18. I'm also gonna grab the caramel. All right, so before we forget, just gonna put like a dab of caramel in there. And they'll mix directly with the espresso. Then we'll use this, and this it's actually a glue dispenser, but you can also use it for like sauces and stuff too for this exact reason. That's gonna be how we're gonna top it off and do our latte art. And tamp this down. I feel like there's too much in there. So we'll use our blade and just get rid of any excess. All right, cool. All right, that feels perfect. Then we're just gonna pull a double right in here. Shot looks good. Looks really good. Oh, the milk. Gonna try not to fill it up too much. Maybe right about there should be perfect. Because we're gonna expand it a lot so we can get that good layer of foam. And while this is warming up, I'm just gonna swirl this around and mix in that caramel we just added. Yeah, that shot looks amazing though. Nothing but air until we get that really deep tone. Well, really, just pretty much nothing but air. You may not even hear that tone. So right here is where we're creating that layer. We're also expanding it, so it's like the volume's increasing, so we're just gonna keep adding air. Because with macchiatos, you want that like ultra foamy surface, you know? It's kind of the experience you get. At least with this style macchiato. Probably not like the traditional style, but we're gonna be making like the more like modern style macchiato. All right, yeah, I think we got a good layer of foam there. It's really hot, and right there. Yeah, that looks really good. Now we'll just clean off the wine. All right, first things first, pour the milk. Probably about right there. And then we'll pour our double. Nice. And we can top it off a bit more. Right there. All right, cool. Now I can do the fun part. So this style of latte art is where you like pour like a string of caramel or chocolate, and then you use like a toothpick to give it a fun design. So by buying a dispenser with a very narrow tip on it, you can let the sauce sit on the surface more easily without it like sinking under the froth. All right, so that's step one. And then we want to take our toothpick and just do a zigzag motion, wiping between every one of them. There you have it. Caramel macchiato. I'll get a close up for y'all. Wow, it's really hot. Here, I'll grab it from this side, from the handle. And we got cool, like 3 distinct layers right there too. But when you drink it up, you want to like give it a nice little swirl and then take your sip. But yeah, caramel macchiato. Thanks for watching.